How to block someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can block someone on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to block someone on TikTok, go ahead and launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch a TikTok app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is simply go to the profile page whom you want to block. Once you go to the profile page, tap the share icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then from here on, you'll find the option known as block. So when you tap the block option, you'll find the confirmation panel, and when you tap on that block button, this person will get successfully blocked on TikTok. This way you will be able to block someone on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.